Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys on auxiliary views, and in this case we have the front elevation and the plan of a prism. So we have to draw an auxiliary elevation looking in the direction of the arrow. So the first step is basically you project lines from the points on the plan parallel to the arrow. So assuming we have an arrow here, we have this arrow here. So basically, if you have to draw an auxiliary view, we'll just draw lines parallel to zero. Just put your set square on the arrow. Just put your set square on the arrow till it's directly on the arrow. Then you can now begin to project parallel lines from every point in the plan. So note that you always draw your plan from your auxiliary elevation, or rather, you always draw your auxiliary elevation from your plan, and then you draw your plan from your and you draw your auxiliary plan from your elevation. It's kind of opposites. So now we have projected all those lines. Now the next step is you pick any coordinate distance. So I'll pick something like here. So let me pick it from here. So then we're going to draw a line perpendicular to this projected line. So I'll draw a line. So here we go. This is the perpendicular line. So on this line now, it is where I will now begin to locate my auxiliary plan. So the next step is I would mark the elevation height AB. Now this elevation height is the height of the elevation in the auxiliary elevation. So I'll just mark it. This is my height. So I'll now I'll also transfer this to the height. So this AB will be the one of the dimensions of the auxiliary elevation. So this auxiliary elevation, now we need to note that this is where we are viewing from. So when we are viewing from this angle, you should know that this vertex is hidden. So this line, when we trace it up, it will be represented by a hidden line. So I always advise to draw the hidden lines first, so that you don't forget. So the rest are going to be outlines because they are visible. Let's draw the outlines. Here we go. So finally we have this. So and this is the auxiliary elevation of this drawing. Thanks for watching.